Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 1111. The number 1111 is made up of the strong effects of the number 1 multiplied by 4. Number 1 has the vibrations and qualities of new beginnings and starting over, independence and individuality, initiative and assertiveness, ambition and motivation, success and leadership, courage and strength, creation and creativity, self-reliance and persistence, achievement, happiness and fulfillment, innovation, self-development, and oneness with life. Number 1 reminds us that our thoughts, beliefs, intentions, and actions create our own realities. Most of the time, the repeating number 1 sequence, in all its forms, is the first sequence that many people see. Once the 1111 is recognized, the sequence of numbers changes to a new set, along with new messages, life experiences, directions, and chances. People often think of the number 1111 as a wake-up call, a code of activation, a awakening code, or a code of consciousness. It can also be seen as a key to the subconscious mind, and it reminds us that we are spiritual beings having a physical experience rather than physical beings having spiritual experiences. If you keep seeing the number 1111, you may start to notice more synchronicities and strange, even miraculous, events happening in your life. When you are about to have a big spiritual awakening, or some kind of epiphany, the number 111 the 1st of May show up in your physical reality, an experience, to let you know that a big change, or shift is coming. When you see the angel number 1111, think about what you were thinking at that time. 1111 means that your thoughts and beliefs are in line with your truths. For example, if you had an inspired idea when you saw 1111, it would mean that it would be a good and useful idea to act on. When angel number 1111 keeps showing up, it means that an energetic doorway has opened for you, which will make it easy for your ideas to become real quickly. The message is to think carefully and make sure that what you think matches what you really want. Don't waste your time